Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where we make trading stress-free. PSE index went up from 7,192.17 last December 10, 2021, to 7,297.66 this December 17, 2021. This performance is equivalent to a 1.47% increase in the index for the week. Our magical stocks also went up from 832.89k pesos to 833.02k pesos, or a 0.02% increase in our investment. Take note that we invested additional 100k pesos. Overall, our magical stocks profit went up from 132.07k pesos to 132.21k pesos. We will update the remaining 3 batches of magical stocks together with the conclusion of our December 2020 experiment. Before we proceed with our update, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. We concluded the December 2020 experimental magical stocks with a 7.78% gain, and we are higher than the market by 7.44%. The market barely moved for a year from December 2020. With this experiment's performance, the value of our 150,288.00 pesos is equivalent to 161,986.00 pesos. It could have gotten higher if we had followed our selling strategy. Here is the history of each stock and its upside. We experimented with LTG at 13.90 pesos per share purchase price last December 2020. It went up to 15.5 pesos per share last February 2021, and we eventually ended it this December at 9.73 pesos per share. This is an unsuccessful stock with a chance of winning if sold in February 2021. On AGI, we experimented with it at 11.06 pesos per share purchase price last December 2020. It went up to 12.32 pesos per share last December 2021 and eventually ended the experiment at 12.00 pesos per share. This is a successful stock year on year. We experimented with DMC at 6.06 pesos per share purchase price last December 2020. It went up to 9.42 pesos per this October 2021, and we eventually ended it this December at 7.79 pesos per share. This is a successful stock with a good upside if sold in October 2021. On FGen, we experimented with it at 28.20 pesos per share purchase price last December 2020. It went up to 34.60 pesos per share last September 2021 and eventually ended the experiment at 27.3 pesos per share. This is an unsuccessful stock with a chance of winning if sold in September 2021. We experimented with TEL at 1,371.00 pesos per share purchase price last December 2020. It went up to 1,900 pesos per share this December 2021, and we eventually ended it this December at 1,900 pesos per share. This is a very successful stock. For the magical stocks with actual buying, here is the worksheet for our 3 batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is TEL gaining 9.83%. While the least performer is VLL losing -7.3%. We have one sell signal for our magical stocks. We already sold our first batch and we were successful by earning 32.78%, which is above our target of 30%. Our second batch is above the market with a gap of 31.79% this December 17, 2021, coming from 30.66% last December 10, 2021. Our third batch is below the market with a gap of -3.98% this December 17, 2021, coming from 0.75% last December 10, 2021. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 11.3% this December 17, 2021, coming from 11% last December 10, 2021. To summarize our investment, the first batch was sold and earned 49,630.94 pesos. The second batch is gaining by 33.1%, coming from 30.5%. The third batch is gaining by 9.77%, coming from 12.85%. The fourth batch is gaining by 16.85%, coming from 15.02%. Overall, with an investment of 700.82k pesos, our investment's current value is 833.02k pesos, equivalent to 18.86% coming from 18.85%. We have profited in our first batch, a gaining second batch, a gaining third batch and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the Magical Stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the other 3 batches of magical stocks and the other 7 experimental stocks. Quote, win or lose, everybody gets what they want out of the market. Some people seem to like to lose, so they win by losing money. Unquote. Ed Seikota. See you in the following video, have a great day ahead.